Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I am so glad to greet you. Students, do you know when our country a concern is independent? Great, you are right. Our country accounts its independence on August 17, 1945. But do you know the figure behind our country independent? Not yet. Okay, don't worry, because Eden like to tell you about the figure behind the independence of Indonesia. So now please listen to me. Students, we know that the proclamation of Indonesian independence give a very important meaning to the Indonesian people, and there 8 national figures were made in release. Those are Mr. Soekarno, Muhatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadashi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and B.M. Dia. Then the first figure in Mr. Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno is one of the people who contributes in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, Java on Juni 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta on Juni 21, 1117. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Hatta. Ahmad Subarjo, he then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesia independent at his residence at Pegangsaan Timur Street No. 56, Jakarta. Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on Agustus 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 40, 1980 at the age of 77. He participated in singing the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhatta is Indonesia's first vice president. Ahmad Subarjo. Ahmad Subarjo Djayadi Suharjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15, 1978 at the age of 82 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Ahmad Subarjo participated in compiling the content of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadashi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the text of Proclamation of Indonesia Independence by inviting the those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At his house, it was gathered national figures that had great contribution. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out or sympathy for the Indonesia people. Sukarni. Sukarni was born in Blitar at Java on July 40, 1960. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971. Who was persecuted against the invade. Sukarni proposed Bung Hatta and Bung Karno to sing the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatimah, was Insinyur Soekarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta 1980. She is buried in the Horses Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati sewed the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the Proclamation of Indonesia Independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street, No. 15, 6, Jakarta. The text of the Proclamation of Independence was typed by Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth leader who was also very important in Proclamation of Indonesia Independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno handwriting. The text of the proclamation was original handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make it look neat. The original text was thrown into the trash one of the young men who was present at the proclamation of Indonesia Independence was B.M. Diah. B.M. Diah took the original manuscript from the trash can and kept it. He considered that the text had a hack history. The original manuscript that were kept by B.M. Diah for 56 years, 9 months, 90 days were later to the Indonesian nation. He broke out the original of the Indonesia Independence Proclamation on Tuesday morning, 19 May 1992 at 10:30 a.m. and had it over to President Suharto. The manuscript was then kept by the National Archives on Suharto's recommendation. B.M. Diah decision to keep the original manuscript was very B.M. Diah decision to keep the original manuscript was very precise. Therefore, the entry Indonesia have been able to enjoy the original text of the proclamation and have learned of a lot from what happened at that time. Okay, students, that all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep this independence by raising devout feeling to our country. And I think that all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivate. See you next week. Bye bye.